So in this video, we're gonna learn the 4 different vowels in Tibetan language. This is lesson number 4. Lop 10 shipa sa lapta lanaro lopa lop tana 10 lop 10 meaning lesson po sha kiku shi pa shiba meaning 4. So we're gonna learn the 4 different vowels. And yang tau wa yata yang sa yang. Yang means vowels. Po sha kigu shi meaning 4. Yang shi, 4 vowels. The first vowel is called kigu, and it's this character right here in ume, and then it's this character right here in uchen. So this is kigu. And then the second vowel is called shabkyu, and it starts somewhere. It starts from here and it goes all the way over here. And the same thing here. This is ka, right? But the shabkyu starts from here and right there. And in uchen, it's this character right here at the bottom. So this is shabkyu. And the third one is called dengbu, and it's this character here at the top. So this is called dengbu. And this character right here, that's dengbu in uchen. This is in ume, and this is in uchen, dengbu. And then the last one, or the fourth one, is called naro, and it's this character right here at the top. So this is called naro in ume, or the headless letters. And then in the headed letters, or uchen, this one right here is called naro, this right here at the top. So the first one is called kigu, and the way you spell is ka kigu ki, ka shabkyu ku kiku. And then same thing in uchen, ka kigu ki, ka shabju ku kiku. And then the second is sha pa sa shab, ka yata kya shabju kyu shabkyu. And then same thing here, sha pa sa shab, ka yata kya shabkyu kyu shabkyu. So that's in uchen. And then the third one is ao ga rata da dengbo denga deng pa shabju pu dengbu. And then in uchen, ao ga rata da dengbo denga deng pa shabju pu deng pu. And then the last one is na ra naro ro naro. And then in English, for kigu, ka I ka u, shabkyu, zha, which is sha, pa, sa, ka, yata, and the u, shabkyu. And then over here, ao, which is right here, ga, rata, right there, da dengbo, right there, denga deng, nga, which is n and g, and then pa, which is same as pa, b, and then u, which is same as shabkyu, deng pu. So this is deng bu, and this is how it sounds like, right? Da I na ga ba u, deng bu. And then the last one, na a ra o. And then down here we have 4 examples. So the first example we have here for kigu is sha kigu shi, ma kigu mi, shi mi. Shimi means cat, and then sha kigu shi, ma kigu mi, shimi in uchen. And that's how it sounds like. And then the next one is ka shabkyu ku, sha shabju shu, ku shu. And then ka u sha u, or ka shabju ku, sha shabju shu gushu, meaning apple. And then the third example is for the dengbo. Sa dengbo seng nga seng, ka dengbo ke senge. Senge means lion. And then the same thing in uchen. Sa dengbo seng nga seng, ka dengbo ke senge. Sa ina ga I senge. And then the last one is ao ka naro korra kor la naro lo korlo korlo. And then the same thing in uchen. Ao ka naro korra kor la naro lo korlo. Korlo means wheel of a car or a dharma wheel. It's a religious object that we Buddhists use. So these are the 4 vowels with their examples. And as you know from the previous one of the previous video, in Tibetan language, as you know, we have 30 alphabets. So after every alphabet, the sound is there by default. So for example, if I read the first 4 alphabets, it's ka, 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 nga, right? So the sound is there at the end by default. So that's why we don't have a separate because that's assumed by default. So that's why we have I, U, E, O. Is already there by default. So that's pretty much it as far as the vowel goes. So I have some more pictures similar to this that we in the first 2 or 3 lessons we have used alternate pictures related to the lesson we are doing. So I have some of those shared today. Oops. So the first one is shimi. So this is shimi right there. Shakigu shi, makigu mi, shimi. And shimi is a cat, right? As a Tibetan monk, a young Tibetan monk with his cat. And then this one, some Thai monks taking the house cat for a walk. And this is some heavy-duty cat, tiger from the cat family, right? So I think this looks like a Bengal tiger. And there's another one back there too. And the second example we have is kushu, kashabju ku, shashabju shu, kushu, apple, right? And there's a picture of a young Tibetan kid trying to grab some apples. And then some more Tibetan kids with apples in their plastic bags. And these are actual photos from Tibet. And then this, we are talking about the senge, or the line. And as I have told you before, we have 2 snow lines on the Tibetan national flag. And these are the 2 snow lines right there. And this white looks like it resembles the mountains, the snow-capped mountains of Tibet, or Tibet, the land of snow. So maybe in the future I'll do a video on the explanation about the Tibetan national flag. And this is from March 10th. Every March 10th, all the Tibetans throughout the globe, throughout the world, we protest against the Chinese illegal occupation of Tibet. So this is in, I think this is in San Francisco, by the San Francisco City Hall. And the next example we have is korlo, au kanaro kora kor, lanaro lo, korlo, or the wheel. And this is a craftsman in Tibet actually making one of those sacred Buddhist korlo. And then some more pictures of Tibetan craftsmen making statues. And then here's a picture of a korlo also right here. And there's another one right there also. And then this one is, I think like we have I was telling, like, in Bhutan they use the Tibetan script and also the Tibetan numerals. So this is an actual license plate from the Kingdom of Bhutan. So try to see if you guys can read this. You guys should be, without any problem, should be able to read this whole license plate. So all the numerals we have covered, we have learned from 1 through 30, and we have also learned Uchen, and these are the vowels. So this one right here is same as this one right there, right? So this is E. So that's Ja, E, J, Ka, E, K, J, K, J, K, and then this is Jik, Lego, which is Chu or 10 in English, and then this is Sum, Nga, Sum, Jik. And when you actually read this is in the thousand place, so this would be Sum Tong. Tong means thousand, so this is Sum Tong. And this is in the hundreds place, so this would be the hundreds place is called Gya. So this is Nga, 5, Nga, Gya. And then this is in the tens place, so this is Sum Chu. Chu is the tens place, so this is Sum Chu. And then this is in the units place, and coincidentally this is number 1, so this is the Chik. So if you read it together, this would be Sum Tong, Ngap Gya, Sum Chu, Sokji. So if this is 4,000, this would be Shitong. 5,000, Ngadong. And then same thing here. 500 is Ngagya, 600 is Tukya, Dungya, 700, and so on. And then this is Sumju, right? For 40, that would be Shipju. Ngapju would be 50. Tukju would be 60, and so on. So, and then in the units place, you should remember Jik, Ni, Sum, Shi, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that's a license plate from the Kingdom of Bhutan. And that's pretty much it as far as the examples and the pictures goes. And if you guys could keep practicing, if you are not too sure, just pause the video, write it down, grab a piece of paper and pencil and try to write it down, and just keep practicing, and you guys should be pretty easily able to follow this without any problem. And in the next lesson we will have a small test that will be from lesson 1 through lesson 4, and until then just keep practicing, and it's a really short test, so we'll have that later. Until then, just keep practicing, and I'm pretty sure you guys should be able to follow all this without any problem, and hopefully have no problem studying these. Until then, if possible, help others. If not, at least restrain from harming others. Thanks a lot.